How to import SQL Database in GoDaddy. So let's start the video tutorial. Once we log into GoDaddy hosting account, we need to go to the My Products page. And in this page, we need to scroll down to the web hosting section and click Manage button. Next in this page, we need to click cPanel Admin button, which brings us to the cPanel settings page in GoDaddy. In the cPanel settings page, click and enter the phpMyAdmin section under Databases. Next, in the phpMyAdmin section, click and select the database into which you want to import the database file. Next, on the right-hand side of the screen, click the Import option in the top menu bar. In the Import page, click the Choose File button. Now select the database file from your computer. Finally, click the Import button at the bottom of the page. Import may take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on the size of the database file. And done. The SQL database file has been successfully imported into cPanel. This is how you can import an SQL database in GoDaddy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.